people? Once again, I'm welcoming you to this YouTube channel. I'm your favorite Auntie Eva Adhiambo Oguna, and welcome so much to the Eva Oguna Show. So today I'm gonna be talking about what girls, what women, what my able ladies, what my amazing ladies should allow into their vaginas. Before I do that, guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. And after subscription, can you hit the notification bell so that next time I am putting up a new video, you are able to be notified in real time and you will be the first person or top people who are supporting this YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go right into my topic. Like I've said, I'm gonna be talking to my amazing girls about what they should be allowing into their vaginas. Number one, sanitary towels. Okay? Sanitary towels are the only things that we should be allowing to come anywhere near our vaginas. Okay? People tend to have reactions with different sanitary towels, but hey, amazing girls, I'm gonna be telling you this. You can always test and know the sanitary towels that are fair to your skin, sanitary towels that are friendly to your skin type, right? I'm gonna go to number two. The second one is prescribed vaginal medication. Yeah? See, there are those tablets that you are always asked to insert right inside your vagina. If you have a sick vagina, there are those medications that you are asked to put tablets or some pills inside your vagina. They have to be prescribed. So don't just allow any other thing except it's a prescription from the doctor. I'm gonna go to number three. My girls, prescribed lubes. We have lubes that are prescribed, especially when women are growing older, or especially women who have had problems with their uteruses, people who have gone through C-sex and they have problems lubricating themselves naturally, then the doctors will always prescribe for you lubes that you are supposed to be using. With age, I've said, as you age, you become dry. And anytime you want to go and have your good time, you are never able to lubricate yourself. So there are those loops that the doctors will always do what? Prescribe for you. So these are the only things that you are supposed to be allowing inside your queen. Another one is clean fingers, right? That one I've said so many times. I've always told you guys, masturbation is very healthy, save for the religious aspect of this. I don't even know where it's written, but for any woman who wants her fingers or someone else's fingers to get into their vagina, they must be very clean. You must clean very well, disinfect your hands so that you don't get any infections to the queen. Okay? Yeah? So like we have said, just disinfect your hands, clean them so well, use soap and running water. Do not dip your hands kwa maji ya besheni, yeah, and then towel them up. No, just use running water, my dears. You will thank me later. Another thing that you should be allowing inside your vagina is vaginal examination equipments in hospital, right? In hospital, when you visit a gyna and they have to reach down there, that is the only time you can allow equipments to get through there. Like you've gone out for pap smear, or you've gone out for those checkups, especially when women are pregnant, and you're about to put to bed, you know very well that the doctors will always insert their fingers. Sometimes they insert some equipments through the Miss V to know whatever is going on down there. So the only time you should allow someone to be doing something else into your VJ is when they are using hospital equipment. The last one, a penis. Only, right? The major one. Of course, the way God planned it, right? This is a birth canal. It's used as a birth canal. So children will always be popping out through this part. And it's the only way that the children build their mansions inside our tummies. It is through the penis. Okay? Not the only way, but one of the ways, the major ways is through the penis. So yeah, this is the major one that is allowed to touch and to get in through the queen. Right, my people? Up until there. And next time, thank you so much. I love you.